Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Bish Dog Maths. Today we are working on trigonometry, but it's trigonometry with non-right angled triangles, okay? So we have a triangle here and there's no right angle in it, okay? 87 is close to a right angle, but not quite. Now, there's two things we can do. We can find the angle and find the side. This video is on finding the side. I'll do another video on finding the angle. That'll be linked in the at the end, okay? So when you're finding the side, not a right angle triangle, we use the sine rule, okay? So we match them up. So we're finding A, by the way. So this is what we want. We want the length of A. So you'll see there's going to be two pairs, all right? There's an angle and the one we want to know, and we have this angle and the one we do know, all right? So we need to match them up in pairs. So anyway, it's the angles. Now when you're doing the sides, finding the sides, the sine rule, sine at the bottom. So sine of 36, goes with its matching pair at the top, okay? The 14. When we're doing an angle, we'll switch them around, but I'll show you that later. And that equals sine of 87. And that's A. So A divided by sine of 87 is the same as 14 divided by sine of 36. So we can't do this because we don't know that one, but we can do this one. So on my calculator, I type in 14 divided by sine of 36. Okay, now this one here, the answer to that is 23.82, right? So that's the answer to that one, okay? So 23.82, all right? Now that's the same as this. This also equals 23.82, but we want to find A. Now, we don't know what A is, but we know that A divided by sine of 87 will equal 23.82. So to find out what A is, we do the opposite of dividing by sine of 87, which opposite of dividing is timesing. So I'm going to go 23.82 times, so I'll just write down for you. So your 23.82, which is that answer, is going to be timesing, okay, because that's the opposite of dividing by sine of 87. So we times it by sine of 87 equals, okay, and I get 23.779. All right, so that's if centimeters. So there, this one here is 23.79 centimeters. Okay, so basically you have the two pairs, you can figure out one, okay, which you get the answer for, and then we times it by sine of 87, because basically this is this, but we want just that, so we do the opposite. We times it by sine of 87, and we get there for just the A. So there we go, 23.79. So that's the sine rule, finding a missing side. Thanks.